Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video, we'll see how to attach an attachment on Gmail. For example, if you are sending any email to one of your friend or any person, if you want to attach a picture, a video or any document, you can do that. I'll show you how you can attach a file and send an email on your mobile. So this is on my mobile and this is the Gmail app which is installed. For to compose a mail, this is the option at bottom here. First you need to click on the compose and give the sender address. For now I'm just giving my mail only. So you need to write the subject, sending my photograph, something like that, whatever it may be. Sending my photograph, find the attachment, something like that. Find attachment, which is just notifying. You can compose the email and to attach file or a video or anything of your choice, a document, PDF document, whatever it may be. Here is the option. See here at top, you'll find an attachment symbol. Click on that, and by two options you can send that particular attachment. That may be email, that may be picture, video, or any attachment. You can insert from drive, means which is already available in your Google Drive. You can pick from that. If you tap on that insert from drive, it will ask you to choose an item on the my drive. You can open any of your folder. For example, there is nothing here. For example, one contact, I select this, so that gets attached here. And next one, attach from file. This option will give you to access your phone storage, means a picture from your storage, maybe a video from your, see this is the mp4 video. You can tap on this and attach this. So the files you're trying to send exceed the 25 MB. So when you send, see here, if the video file which is not sent, because the video file which is more than 25 MB, what you need to do is, first you need to upload it to your Google Drive, then you need to attach from Google Drive as I shown in the above video. First you need, because Gmail won't send that file which is over 25 MB, which usually occurs with video files or the large files. So in that case you need to first upload that file, that video file, to Google Drive, then you can attach from Google Drive as I shown in the above steps. So this is how you can attach anything on Gmail. For example, if your email is queued due to the large amount of attachments, you need to just go to the outbox, and here you will find that email which is about to send, as it is in the process. You need to refresh this page and that email gets sent with larger amount of attachments. I hope you like this tutorial and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.